Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this video we are going to find out how to open Google Play Store on Android TV. So without any delay, let's start the video.
So first of all, let's try to find the Google Play Store in our apps. And as you can see, it is not present in our app section. So scroll up and go to settings and then click on all settings. In all settings, scroll down and click on apps. Now click on see all apps. Now scroll down and click on show system apps. In system apps, you can see all the apps are in alphabetical order. So scroll down and try to find Google Play Store. Okay, once you find the app, select it and click on open. Now you have opened Google Play Store on your app. Now you can browse the apps and install any of the app. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos.